Welcome to Unwiring Tech, the podcast that simplifies complex AI topics. I'm Ranjana, and today I'm here to explore the AI governance architecture of Japan. Now let's start. Japan is known for its soft law approach. Why is it so? Because Japan has refrained from imposing any binding obligations or harsh restrictions on companies. Instead, it has published a series of suggestions and best practices encouraging the private sector to self regulate. This allows flexibility, enabling businesses to adapt and innovate while still adhering to a set of fundamental ethical principles. However, in Japan, there are currently no laws or regulations comprehensively governing AI. Japan till date relies on sector specific AI regulations supplemented by voluntary guidelines. Japan also integrated international frameworks in it. This highlights the importance of voluntary risk mitigation initiatives undertaken by businesses while committing the government to the continuous monitoring of emerging risks and necessary measures. In 2019, the Cabinet Office announced Japan's first AI strategy. After two revisions, the latest version is now the AI Strategy 2022, which emphasizes initiatives for sustainable development and the broader application of AI technologies. The strategy outlines five strategic objectives. First, human resources, establishing a sustainable framework to develop and attract talent suitable for the AI era. Second, industrial competitiveness, promoting AI adoption across industries to secure a leading global position. Third, technological systems, creating and operating comprehensive technological systems to support AI development and deployment. Fourth, international cooperation, establishing international networks for AI research, education, and social infrastructure. Fifth, dealing with imminent crisis, enhancing resilience against large-scale disasters through AI applications. In 2019, the Japanese government also published the social principles of human-centric AI. It states that it is expected that AI will contribute to the creation of Society 5.0. It says that it is important to use AI as a public asset of humans that can lead to the achievement of global sustainability through qualitative changes of the ideal society as well as true innovations. It is an attempt to enhance the beneficial impacts of AI on society rather than suppress it for fears of risks. Those principles are based on three philosophies. 1. Human dignity, diversity and inclusion, and sustainability. These three philosophies have laid the groundwork for seven principles of the policy: human-centric, education and literacy, privacy protection, ensuring user security, fair competition, fairness, accountability, transparency, and innovation. The Japanese approach to regulation is based on those principles, which englobe both the user security and the guidance of use of AI. In May 2023, the Hiroshima AI process was launched by G7 during Japan's presidency, which aims to promote safe, secure, and trustworthy AI. This gave way to the first comprehensive international rules on generative AI in December 2023. In February 2024, Japan's Information Technology Promotion Agency established the AI Safety Institute to develop evaluation methodologies and ensure AI safety in Japan. On April 19, 2024, the Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, also known as METI, published AI Guidelines for Business Ver1.0. These guidelines aim to steer businesses, government organizations, and local entities in developing and using AI responsibly. These guidelines remain the primary framework for AI governance in the country, and it was introduced as a voluntary guideline. It sets out principles for transparency, accountability, and risk management in AI development and deployment. The guidelines define three key players in the AI ecosystem, each with specific responsibilities. The first key player is AI developers. Their responsibility includes proper data training, collecting and handling training data while respecting privacy and intellectual property laws, bias consideration, identify and mitigate potential biases in data and algorithms, risk management, analyze and address risks throughout AI development. The second key actor is AI providers, and their responsibilities include system integration by ensuring AI systems are integrated and operated correctly, implementing robust security protocols, and providing users with accurate information and support for AI systems. This includes providing clear information about how the AI works and its potential limitations. The third key actor is AI business users, and they are responsible for the use of AI system which is appropriate and safe, information sharing by communicating environmental changes to AI providers, and users' responsibility by preventing AI from causing unexpected disadvantages to non-business users. According to the guidelines, for advanced AI systems, additional measures are required, including implementation of testing and risk mitigation strategy, incident reporting by sharing information on vulnerabilities and incidents, ensuring public transparency by reporting AI systems' capabilities and limitations, and last, by ensuring AI systems' security and privacy. And it also proposed agile governance, continuously improving AI governance through a cycle of environment analysis, goal setting, system design, operation, and evaluation, and at the same time, leadership responsibility by ensuring that management should lead in integrating AI governance into business strategies. One notable aspect is the adoption of risk-based approach, which focuses on identifying and mitigating potential risks associated with AI deployment, particularly in high-impact areas. Additionally, these guidelines demonstrate Japan's commitment to aligning with international standards and frameworks, such as G7's Hiroshima AI Process and the OECD AI principles, thereby promoting global cooperation in AI governance. The guidelines aim to create a framework for AI governance that balances innovation with risk management, involving multiple stakeholders to achieve a human-centric, inclusive, and sustainable society. Although these guidelines are not legally binding, they play a crucial role in shaping Japan's approach to AI governance. On 28 February 2025, Japan's cabinet also approved an AI bill. This bill, if passed, would grant government the authority to investigate AI developers in cases of serious incidents that infringe upon the rights and interests of citizens. The bill says, when people's rights and interests are violated, the government would be allowed to take measures such as conducting investigations of and giving guidance or advice to related businesses and publish the names of malicious operators. Under the proposal, the government would be authorized to require AI developers to disclose their safety measures regardless of whether incidents have occurred. The bill states that if AI is utilized for inappropriate purposes or in an inappropriate way, it may help increase its use in crimes as well as leaks of personal information and violations of copyrights. The proposed bill also stipulates that businesses must cooperate with the government's AI-related measures, but it does not include any penalties to avoid hindering technological innovation. In addition, the bill spells out that AI is a technology that serves as a foundation for socio-economic development, and it is also important in terms of national security. Further, it calls for the establishment of an AI strategy headquarters comprising all cabinet ministers headed by a prime minister, which will be responsible for formulating a basic AI plan, including government policies on technological development and state support. At the same time, bill also promotes the research, development, and applications of AI to maximize the benefits of technology could bring to society. The government aims to get the bill passed during the current diet session. Hence, Japan does not have any AI specific law, but several existing regulations impact AI development and use. For example, the Digital Platform Transparency Act ensures fairness in online marketplaces, while the Financial Instruments and Exchange Act regulates algorithmic trading. The Civil Code allows claims against those using AI for defamation, and the Copyright Act and Personal Information Protection Act address AI misuse. To combat online misinformation, the Information Distribution Providers Act, passed in May 2024, aims to expedite content takedown requests. Additionally, AI related offenses may fall under the criminal code for defamation, business obstruction, or unauthorized computer access. While Japan's legal definition of AI, the guidelines broadly define it, and proposed AI bill may establish clearer regulations including territorial scope. Also, discussions are ongoing about how the Copyright Act should address generative AI related issues. While Japan does not classify AI by risk, some officials support a risk based approach, potentially leading to stricter regulations for higher risk AI. Regulatory oversight is currently managed by ministries like Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications, and Personal Information Commission, an agency for cultural affairs. Though AI specific enforcement mechanisms do not yet exist, the proposed AI bill may introduce a regulatory framework with penalties for violation. That's all for today's episode of Unwiring Tech. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead in the world of AI.